Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can delete pictures on the Google Chat app. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, open any preferred browser on your personal computer and search for Google Chats. After that, access the first website that comes up in the search results and sign into your account. Once signed in, you will be redirected to the home page where all of your recent chats will be displayed. Now, you just need to access the target chat and you will see your whole conversation on your screen. Simply hover your cursor over the picture you want to delete and then click on the three dots at its top. After clicking on it, select Delete from the submenu and then confirm the action by clicking on Delete again. So that's basically how you can delete pictures on the Google Chat app. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.